What's up everybody? This is Cora once again and I hope you're all doing good. So for today's video, this is going to be an unboxing one, and the product that I have right here is going to be useful to our piece of Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi vendor, or maybe we'll just give it a try. So let's see what we can do with this. So by the way, this doesn't have the packaging already, which has the logo from the online shop that we used to shop into, but it's okay because it's still not open, so I'm just gonna have to remove the plastic and then finally open the box. Alright, so I'll have to get the plastic first. Alright, and then so I'll just have to open the box now so we can see a better look on the item. So here it goes. This is quite big. Okay, I love it, guys, that this also has a cardboard, just like when I unboxed the TP-Link before months ago. So this will have a separator with the parts of the product. So right now, let me see what else I can do. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so I have here the new Wi-Fi 3 D2 AC1200 dual band. Okay, so this is actually a Gigabit Wi-Fi access point. So this is gonna be again useful to our piece of Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi vendor that we already have to. We have already indoor router and we also have an outdoor access point. We'll just have to try this one and we'll see if this is gonna be better, or maybe it's gonna be okay if we will be adding another access point. Okay, so as you can see there, in this area I have here the power cord. This is still wrapped with a plastic, so I think this is 1 meter long. Okay, of course. And then it's already the access point. This is how it looks like, and I like it that it is also wrapped with the plastic. So let me see how can I get this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to remove this plastic off. Okay, this is really nice. All right, guys, so just so all you know that this is a little bit heavier than the TP-Link indoor router that I have unboxed before, but of course there's a lot of difference between the two, because one, as you can see, it has 4 antennas, and also this portion right here is a little bit smaller than the TP-Link. So, and also this one right here, guys, it's somehow removed, but this is just a sticker which has the information about the product. It's just so happened that it is written in Chinese, so I can't read it. And alright, so let me just put this down first, because I'm still seeing here some paperwork. So it's written in Chinese. I don't know what does this means, but let me check on the other one. I hope this one has an English translation. No, it doesn't, guys. So I'm just assuming this is the manual or installation guide. It's written in Chinese, but you don't have to worry when you install this product. It's just so easy, as well as with the how to connect and to configure this new Wi-Fi 2D3 AC1200 dual band. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's are inside the box. Alright guys, so once again, this is the Newifi 3D2 AC1200 dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router access point. So we will try to take a look on each part and side of this product. But before I could start, I just want to remove the sticker first, because you can see this has already been almost taken off anyway. So let's just remove this one. Okay. Alright, so of course, first things first, it has four by 5 decibel antennas. What we understood is that 2 of these antennas has the 2.4G and 2 of these has the 5G. I just don't know which one of these 4 are the 2.4G and 5G. So, but it doesn't matter anyway, as long as it's working. So let me just show you what's at the back of this access point. Of course, you will see some ports. Anyway, it's being indicated already here. These yellow ports here are the LAN ports. It has the number 1, 2, 3, and a 4. This one is the blue port here is the 1 port. Okay, this is the power port. This is where you will plug in the power cord, which I showed you earlier when I unboxed this one. And this is the reset button. If you can see that, it's actually a colored black, a little button. And then this one is USB 3.0. Okay. All right, and then I just would like also to flip it off over, and then so you can see what's at the back and then at the side. All right, it's 4 sides. And then here you will see there are LED indicators. This is for the 2.4G. I hope you can see this on your screen. This has actually like a small LED bulb that will light on, indicating that this is for the 2.4G, this is for the 5G, for the USB, for the internet, and this one is for the power. So there you go. This is really nice. It's small, but it's perfect for piso Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi vendor. Again, Newifi 3D2 AC 1200 dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router access point. This is Newifi 3D2 AC 1200 dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router access point, built with dual core processor and a massive 512 MB memory, which can cater up to 250 concurrent users. Sure thing, your piso Wi-Fi business will reap the benefit of this. And then here's the product specifications. CPU is MediaTek MT762180. CPU cores MT7621A. It has 2 dual core processor. CPU 880 megahertz. Flash is 32 megabytes. RAM is 512 megabytes. Ethernet gigabit ports 5, 1 WAN or 1, and then 4 LAN. VLAN, yes. WLAN 2.4 gigahertz. B/G/N. WLAN 5.0 gigahertz. A/N/AC. Power supply 12 volts 2A. Antennas, each 4 has 5 dBIs. Dual band, of course, yes. Number of users, 200 to 250. And it's programmable, of course. Newifi 3 D2 stands out among the rest of its competitors, specs-wise and price-wise. The main advantage is that it can cater up to 250 concurrent users without breaking a sweat. Pre-flashed with latest Padawan firmware with Breed bootloader to provide maximum flexibility in terms of software and functions. 360-degree long-range Wi-Fi coverage and mesh or link-to-link capability via WDS 5 GHz. Plus, it's dual band 2.4/5 GHz 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi compliant to accommodate latest mobile phones as well as the oldest ones, and has 4 easy steps to log in to Padawan firmware. Once again, this is Newifi 3 D2 AC1200 dual band Gigabit Wi-Fi router access point. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to hit thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll put the link on the description below so you can also check it with yourself about this product. If you feel like you want to get one of these, then go ahead and check it on our description. Also, do not forget, our Facebook page is Unboxing Everything. Please make sure to follow, and as well as with our Twitter account, Unboxing E. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! Love ya!